morning. Now the continuation for exercise 7.3. In that question number 8, I think up to 7 you have done 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin squared x by 2. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos squared x by 2 into dx. Sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 equal to tan square x by 2 dx. How to find tan square x integration? Secant square x by 2 minus 1. Convert into this form. Secant square x integration tan x by 2 by x by 2 differentiation 1 by 2 minus 1 integration x plus c. It comes up 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Next, question number 9. Integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x by 1 plus cos x dx, which is equal to 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Denominator we have converted into the half angle, then numerator also converted into the half angle by using cos 2x formula. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. What about cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, so cos x by 2, cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 dx. Integration of splitting here, this by this get cancelled, 1 by 2. This by this 1 by 2 tan square x by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 is the constant, 1 minus tan square x by 2 integration secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus secant square x by 2 plus 1 into dx. So 1 by 2 integration of 2 minus secant square x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 integration of 2x minus secant square x by 2 integration tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So it get cancelled x. It comes up 2 to get cancelled. So tan x by 2 plus c. And we can do it one more method also. Denominator 1 plus cos x, add plus 1 and minus 1. Then 1 plus cos x part right separate, minus 1 right separate. So 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 secant square x by 2. You will get directly secant square x by 2. Okay. For integration, there are many methods, many ways you can solve. Not the fixed way. Okay. By practicing, you come to know that. Next, 10th question already we have discussed sin power 4x. This is once again you try, already we have discussed in the previous video. Sin power 4x, cos power 4x, tan power 4x, we have discussed. 11th question, cos power 4x, integration cos power 4 2x dx. We have discussed integration cos power x dx. Now in place of x, 2x. Procedure is same, right? Cos power 4 2x integration of cos square 2x and whole square dx. Cos square x equal to formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Integration of cos square x equal to 1 plus cos of, this is 1 plus cos 2 into 2x 4x by 2 whole square dx. Next, again squaring 1 plus cos square 4x plus 2 cos 4x by 4 dx. 1 by 4 constant, 1 plus cos square 4x. Again reduce the power. 1 plus cos 8x by 2 plus 2 cos 4x. 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x, okay, plus 2 cos 4x into dx, which is equal to 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 4x dx. 1 by 4 integration of 3 by 2, 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2 cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 plus 2 cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 plus c. Finish. Multiply. Or what is the common here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you can take common. 1 by 8. 3x plus sin 2x by 2. Correct? Plus sin 4x plus c. Even though 2 we can take common. If you take 2 common, you get 6x plus sin 3x plus 2 sin 4x. You will get 1 by 60. Next, 12th question. Integration sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square x. Are you getting any idea? Because division there is no formula for integration by solving the integration. So we have to make it simplest form. Sin square x we can write 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x. Are you getting any idea? Again a square minus b square, the denominator will be cancelled. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b by 1 plus cos x dx. This get cancelled. Integration of 1 x cos x integration sin x plus c. Finish. The denominator if you cancel, no, very easily we can solve. Next, question number 30. Before that, I will give examples. Integration sin alpha dx. What is the answer? Integration sin alpha dx. Cos alpha minus cos alpha wrong. Did I say like this? Integration of sin x with respect of x is minus cos x, but it is not x here, alpha it is. Sin alpha with respect of x is constant. Sin alpha with respect of x is constant. Constant what to do? Take out. Sin alpha, take out. But sin x we can't take out. But sin alpha constant. So sin alpha constant take out. Sin alpha integration 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx x sin alpha into x. This is the answer, x sin alpha. Integration of sin alpha dx, answer is sin alpha x. The most important is. Got a point? With respect of dx, sin alpha is constant, take out. Remaining integration of dx. Integration of dx x derivative is 1. Integration of 1 x integration x square by 2. X x integration of x dx is x square by 2. Integration of 1 dx x. Okay. Similarly, integration of cos alpha dx. Cos alpha, take out integration of dx. So cos alpha integration of 1 dx. Okay. Now the question number 30. Integration cos 2x minus cos 2a by cos x alpha it is 2 alpha cos x minus cos alpha dx. In that, with respect of x is variable, alpha is constant. Right. Cos 2x can I write formula in terms of cos alpha? 2 cos square x minus 1. Similarly, cos 2 alpha formula 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha dx. 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha plus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha dx. This get cancelled. What is the common here? 2. So cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. 2 integration which is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. This get cancelled. 2 integration of cos x plus cos alpha dx. Tell me cos x integration? Sin x. What about cos alpha integration? X. Cos alpha into x, not sin alpha. Here many students will do the mistake. By unknowingly or knowingly, okay, cos alpha, immediately their thought is cos x integration is sin x. Then cos alpha integration also sin alpha, like that they will write it. Means in an exam they may get tension. Okay, in busy way they won't bother about they won't think this with respect of x. So one mistake they will write, they will say that after the exam hall if they come out, they say that they feel it's good. But after the result, they come to know that where their marks gone. Out of point. That's a small mistakes you can't identify. But you will do the mistake, but you can't. You come to know that when you paper answer sheet, when you get it, then you come to know that where you have done mistakes. Okay. So this type of questions most important. Where the student will stuck up, such question they will ask. Means where the students will do mistakes. Such question they will ask 1 mark questions and 2 mark questions. Okay, right. Cos x 2 into integration of cos x is sin x plus cos alpha into integration of 1 dx x. Let's see. Integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. This denominator 1 replaced by carry like sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. A square plus b square plus 2ab. We get a plus b whole square. This form we get cos x minus sin x dx. Denominator sin x plus cos x whole square. Correct? Now you see here cos x minus sin x dx. This differentiation is there here. Sin x differentiation cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. We can use by using formula f of x whole power n integration into f dash x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1, or let sin x plus cos x equal to t, because this differentiation is there here, that is equal to t. Sin x differentiation is cos x minus sin x. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. So cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. Substitute here, cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. By this is t square. T power minus 2 dt. T power minus integration, t power minus 1 by minus 1 minus 1 by t. So minus 1 by t sin x plus cos x. Next 50, integration of tan cube 2x into sec dx. Sec 2x dx. Tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. How can you find that? Tan cube 2x. Tan x integration. Tan x differentiation. Sec square x. Sec square x. But square not. So leave it. Sec x derivative. Sec x into tan x. Sec x there, but one tan x not there. Tan cube is there. That we can write it. Split. Tan square 2x into tan 2x. Finish. So integration of tan square 2x into tan 2x into sec 2x into dx. This derivative is there here. Sec 2x. Sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x. This is in the form of tan square x. So write in the form of secant square. So integration secant square 2x minus 1 into sec 2x into tan 2x into dx. This sec 2x differentiation is there. So let sec 2x equal to t. Sec 2x differentiation, sec 2x into tan 2x into 2 dx by dt. 2x differentiation, 2 into dx by dt equal to t differentiation is 1. So 2 sec 2x into tan 2x dx equal to dt by 2. Integration of secant square 2x t square minus 1 sec 2x and tan 2x dx is equal to dt by 2. So 1 by 2 constant t square minus 1 dt. 1 by 2 t square integration t cube by t minus 1 integration t plus c. So t cube 1 by 2 t c is sec 2x cube by t minus sec 2x plus 16 we have done integration of tan 4x. 17 sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Tell me the way of finding. Splitting. Simply splitting. Very easy. Sin cube x by sin square x into cos square x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Splitting here, remaining sin x by cos square x plus cos square x by sin square x dx. Sin x by cos square x, cos x by sin square x. Sin x, here it is sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. We will get 1 by cos x equal to sec x. Sec x into tan x integration we know. Sec x. Next, cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x dx. This is sec x into tan x. Sec x tan x plus cosec x into cot x dx. Integration of sec x into tan x, sec x. Integration of sec x into tan x, sec x. Derivative of sec x into tan x. Integration of sec x into tan x is sec x. Integration of cosec x into cot x, minus cosec x plus. Don't forget standard formula. Okay? Right. Open the book. Question number 18. Integration cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. Cos 2x by plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. Tell me the way of finding. Yes, cos 2x equal, there are two formulas. 1 minus 2 sin square x and 2 cos square x minus 2. Which one you are using? 1 minus 2 sin square x, because 2 sin square x get cancelled. So cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. This get cancelled. 1 by cos square x dx, secant square x dx, secant square x integration cancels. Question number 19. Integration of 1 by sin x into cos cube x dx. Sin x into cos cube x dx. This is to make set form. Can I write like this? Sin x by cos x into cos power 4x, correct? What is the use of this? This is tan x. This if you take off secant power 4x. So tan x derivative is secant square x. Then secant power 4x we can write secant square x into secant square x. Are you following? Now this is secant power 4x tan x here. Integration. Here 1 by sin by cos x is tan x. Let's take off secant power 4x into dx. Integration of secant square x dx by tan x. Let tan x equal to t. Tan x differentiation, secant square x dx by dt equal to 1. Secant square x dx equal to dt. Integration, secant square x dx is dt. Secant square x, this is form of 1 by tan t, tan x is t. This also converted in terms of tan only. Secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x into 1 more secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now this is not changed. Now I am going to changing the in terms of t. 1 plus where tan x is equal to t. So 1 plus t by t into t. Finish. 1 by t plus t by t is 1 into t. 1 by t integration log t plus 1 integration is t plus c. Log t, log of t log of t is equal to tan x plus t tan x plus c. 1 plus t square. Oh sorry, 1 plus t square. Then t square means 1 by t plus t square by t is t. Then log t plus t square by 2 plus c. Here tan square x by 2 plus c. Question number 20. Integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. Cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. Cos 2x formula in terms of cos and sin. Cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x whole divided by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. This get cancelled. So integration of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. See, this differentiation is there in the numerator. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Sin x differentiation cos x. There is a formula integration of f dash x by f of x dx. Tell me f dash x by f of x integration log of denominator log of f of x. Or let cos x plus sin x equal to t also. By solving that also we will get it. This derivative is there. So answer is log of cos x plus sin x plus c. Next, question number 21. Integration of sin inverse cos x dx. Sin inverse cos x dx. By inverse trigonometry's function property. See, sin inverse x is equal plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x is the main key point for this to solve the problem. Integration of sin inverse x where x is cos x. Substitute this formula pi by 2 minus cos inverse x cos x into dx. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x by inverse trigonometric function concept. Okay, pi by 2 integration pi by 2 x because constant pi by 2 x minus x integration x square by 2 plus. Next 22. Integration of 1 by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Cos of x minus a by cos of x minus b. So which is important because the denominator product is there, numerator nothing, only one is there. So something we have to multiply in numerator, that is trigonometry. Variable we can't multiply, but constant we can multiply. So constant in terms of either sin or cos, you can select. That constant should be in terms of a and b. X is variable, a and b. Okay? Can I multiply like this? Sin of a minus b by 1 by sin of a minus b. Because constant is. Or you can multiply sin of b minus a also. So first, depend on the question, we'll make it. Here cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. This type of question if comes, cos x minus a, cos x minus b, sin x minus a, sin x minus b, cos x minus a, sin x minus b. In such